Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and we are back with part 2 of my simple envelope mini albums. So we're going to go ahead and get started with doing our inside covers and covering our pages, doing our pockets, and then the last video, video 3, will be a final walkthrough where I will have fully decorated it and put pictures in it. So, and the third part might be a day or two after. Okay. All right. So all I did was measure how much was here to here. So it was 4.5 by 6. So I'm using score tape only because we've got chipboard there. Want to make sure that it really sticks. I don't think ATG does really well on chipboard in my opinion. So you can use wet glue definitely for this part if you want. I just am not. So line it up. Make sure all your chipboard is covered. And there you go. And that looks good. Okay, because it's kind of seamless. I'm doing it all on the same paper, but you don't have to. It's just I happen to have enough paper to do it. This collection is very kind of muted colors. So I like the fact that this is like a darker, kind of brighter color, if you will, because like this is pretty bright too. But for the most part, it's very muted. You'll see all the colors that I'm using. It's just very muted. So I wanted to at least do this part to have a little pop of color because it's not very bright. Okay, and then you just kind of make sure it's on there really good because you don't want this part coming up because that does happen. Okay, now we're ready, and it's nothing complicated at all for this because I don't know like how many pictures I have and what they all kind of look like. So all I'm going to do is take my paper, and I have cut this paper at just a tiny bit shy of 4.25 by 5.5 because I know that my envelopes fit that size. So I know that that's probably going to be a good size for my pages. So you just put your page down, and this will also help give some strength to your book because the envelopes are not real thick. Now you can use wet glue for this if you want, but the ATG does go very, very quickly. And just kind of line that up. And very quick and easy. This video will not be 20 minutes because the main construction of my album is done. So this part is the easy part. Some people find decorating the hard parts, but I mean, this matting is very, very simple. And I'm still deciding like what else I'm going to do with my pockets, but what I'm going to show you guys is very basic. And this one. So it's very easy because I don't have any flaps, any pockets. So it's very, very easy to mat because everything is the same exact size. Okay. And this one. Okay. And almost done with this matting part. And then I'll show you what the simple thing I'm going to do with my pockets. I'm going to keep it very, very simple for the pockets right now. I might decorate them a little bit more once I see my pictures and that sort of thing, how much journaling I have. Okay, there we go. All right. Now for my pockets. These cardstock measures 4 by 5, and they fit in there pretty well. So what I'm going to do very simply is this one, I'm going to put on the side like this. So I just cut a bunch of cards out. These are the 4 by 3, I think they are. So, and that's all I'm going to do is do this to them because I figure I can do journaling on the side, or I can decorate it further. I could put something else there. So one side will be pictures, and then one side will be just decorated. That's my vision anyway. Okay, and this one. All right. Okay, so then all we need to do is put these in. See, this one is sinking in. So what I was probably going to do is put some kind of a pull, like maybe like a little piece of ribbon or something like that in there. So that's probably something I'm going to do. I'm going to stick these in for right now, just so that they have a safe keeping. All right. So this is what it looks like so far. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. Okay, so I think I had it upside down when I was putting my pages in. Oops. No worries. I think I've got one page where it's upside down. I'm not going to worry about that. I can put a picture on it. All right. And then that's it. We're ready to go. So all I need now is pictures. Decorate my front cover. And I will do that in the next video. I will show you the completed album. And hopefully you guys will make one too. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Cricut